Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove the white background of a picture in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture from our file and insert it. Now we can see here this page color or picture background is white. Now we change the picture background white to another color. Go to the design menu and select the page color option, then change the page color. Now we can see we remove the white background of this picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.